Why do we hiccup? It's one of those strange body quirks we've all experienced, but very few of us actually understand. A hiccup begins when your diaphragm, the muscle just below your lungs, suddenly contracts. That quick spasm causes you to suck in air, and then your vocal cords snap shut, creating the classic hic sound. But here's the fascinating part. Some scientists believe hiccups are a leftover reflex from a time when our ancestors were fish. Fish use a similar motion to move water through their gills. So that annoying hiccup? It might actually be your inner fish waking up just for a moment to say hello. Strange, right? Our bodies are full of mysteries, and some go back millions of years.